And myself being a doctor by profession, I have zero knowledge about accounting, but still I am able to control all the aspects of accounting. I am able to control income, expense, cash flow, petty cash management, and I'm even able to track all the vouchers. After we started using Zoho Books, we are able to maintain profit and loss account, asset, everything for individual branches without any extra effort. When we enter data, we used to use a tags, location, Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, we are entering the tags. So what happens is at the end of year, end of quarter, end of month, we are able to generate statements for each and every location. So I am able to, by sitting in a place, I am able to know what is the profit and loss for Adyar branch, Coimbatore branch, Madurai branch. So I am able to generate balance sheet, every information. So Zoho Books is very useful for my practice. So what happens is my petty cash manager, he enters all the petty cash, he scans a voucher or takes a photo of the voucher, he uploads. I immediately get an automated email, so I approve by email. So this particular process totally enhanced our control with accounting. Earlier, when we want to clear a payment, what we used to do is that either my accountant comes with a checkbook we used to sign, or if we have to do internet banking, we have to input all the payments in one account and approve in a different account. So it takes lot of time, little difficult process. You have to enter every account number, approve, and it has to go for multiple times. So now with Zoho Books and ICICI integration, it has become very easy for us. So when you create a vendor, the account details has to be entered only once. Then subsequently for every payment, they enter the payment value and my accountant just clicks submit, it gets automatically approved, and I click my submit button and OTP comes, it gets approved. The next I go to my approver account, I just put one click and everything is approved. So the process it takes just 5 minutes. Even 20 payments can be cleared in a span of 5 minutes. So with Zoho Books and ICICI integration, clearing payments is very easy. And not only that, whenever a patient deposits money into our hospital account, very difficult for us to every time go log in, see it, very difficult. Now with Zoho Books and ICICI live integration, so every payment is getting tracked in real time. So my accountant can go and see every account in just single dashboard. I don't have to open one account, they can go to the next account, it's not like that. So it's very simplified. And in terms of privacy, with Zoho Books and ICICI integration, Zoho has given us an option where you can do user and privileges. So for selected people, I have given a privilege where they can add, edit or delete entries. For selected people, there's only view access. So privacy is very good. With Zoho Books, healthcare accounting is simplified.